Hopefully. Yay, okay. It's what, not one thing, it's another, but we are here, we've got this. Yeah, okay. It's been a busy morning, and it's morning. But it's Friday. We know what that means. It means it's weekend. That's all it means. I don't know where I was going with that, but Friday means that it is weekend tomorrow. We get to then chill. Well, depending on who you are as a person, I guess you get to chill or not. Yeah. Okay, let's mark out some of these liquidity lines. Awesome, 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 awesome. We ready to rumble? Bum, 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 bum. I'm sorry, I don't know why I'm being so weird. I guess it just, you know, it is what it is. Yeah, that sounds about right. Hey Tony, what's up? How's it going? I know this sounds terrible, but I tend to use the weekends as... So I try to be good during the week, so I try not to like have any sugar and but then on the weekends I allow myself to just eat whatever I want. That is amazing. Tony, what do you think is going to happen today? Kind of curious, what did it do yesterday? Oh. Would have been a loss and then straight up to TP. That would have fucked. Wow, it just looked like it was climbing. I mean, a little drop in Asia, now it's just been climbing the whole time. So people mentioned this level yesterday. That's just why I have it marked out. You know, when in doubt, stick with trend, right? Just stick with trend. Don't overcomplicate things. Ooh, these are equal lows. Oh, that's good. That's interesting. So I know I'm making a lot of lines, but it just helps me get an idea of where we might be headed. Are they always accurate? No. But it gives you an idea. Okie dokie. Hey Lurk, how's it going? Is this the stock market, American Muscle? Yeah? Yeah? Hey, nice, yes, that's amazing. Hey Kiko, how's it going? And I'm gonna call you SI. Hi, how you doing? How's Netflix doing? I don't know. I don't check out that stuff. I don't know if anyone else does. Does anyone go and check out how Netflix is doing? I just trade the Nasdaq futures. But okay, it's officially 9 AM. I'm gonna wait for at least some confirmation of are we gonna continue going up or not. It kind of looks like it wants to continue going up. Hey Daniel, how's it going? Are we ready steady? I guess, for lack of a better word, are we ready steady? Huh, that would have been a nice win. I mean, it's a little early for me to get in on one, but let's just make sure it's not just chopping, right? Let's make sure we actually have some momentum today. if it's chopping, then you guys just, I don't know, you have to deal with me talking. I know that kind of sucks, I'm sorry, but hey, only true trader, how you doing? How's it going? Have tried support and are you asking if I've tried support and resistance? Damn, Yesh, that is amazing. So now you're chilling. Whoop whoop indeed for you. Wow, happy Friday indeed. Holy moly, that is so cool. I'm trading Nasdaq futures and I got ES on the side here, or S&P 500, whatever you want to call it. Only true trader, you know what, I can't complain. It's a little bit chilly here, but it's not bad. I managed to get my workout in this morning, you know, get in the zone. I really didn't want to. I just wanted to stay in bed, but holy cow, here we go. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Again, out of curiosity, oh, that would have missed me. Unless I did it from up there, not even that could have potentially missed me. Like I said, I'm making sure it pops out of this range. Kind of like that. Okay. I look like Chan from Stray Kids. Only true trader, really? My sister's dyslexic. Hey Jeff, how's it going? How's Panda doing? "25-minute workdays are the best." Hell yeah, Yesh. What are you gonna do the rest of the day? I beg to differ. I've been enjoying London recently, but I trade London and New York sessions. Yeah, Daniel. All-time highs are a little bit, terrifying. I feel like terrifying is the right word. Hey, TJ, how's it going? Hello, another fellow South African. I popped up again. You say it like it's a bad thing. Hey, Rohit, how's it going? And Prof23, all my South Africans coming to join on a Friday. Ghana, yep, I'm from South Africa. As I've said like 5 times, sorry. Yes, I'm trading the 1 minute. Boom banana, I didn't see it, damn. So sassy, so early in the morning. Gosh. Hi Boom, how are you doing? See, I'm good. Guys, sorry, I have to give Boom special attention. He's a little bit needy. Hi Boom, how you doing? Okay. Rohit, this is Project X. Daniel, not yet. The plan is to hopefully get it up and running by, I don't want to lie now, I want to say Monday, but I don't want to lie to you guys. Oh, thanks for the new sub. Blue muffin, wow. Hey, High Life, how you doing? How's it going, guys? Oh, good, TJ. How's the trading been going? Tony, yeah, I mean, the GAN's been going decently, so I don't know if you saw, I'm trying not one of 10. I'm doing 10 trades. I initially did it to just stop overthinking, but it's been quite good. So it's kind of like I'm journaling live for you guys. I've done 7 of the 10. Okay, yesterday was a bit of a weird day. So I mean, there was 3 break-even trades. Like I said, yesterday was a little bit weird. 3 break-evens, 1 win, 1 loss. So I ended the day in the green, so that was cool. But out of the 3 break-evens, 2 of them would have been wins and 1 would have been a loss. So now the next step once I'm done with these 10 is to then try do 10 trades again, but not go break even, which scares me a little bit, but I need to just let it happen. Oh, thanks, Prof23. Yeah, guys, if you wouldn't mind pressing that like button if you're having fun. If not, obviously, do not. Yeah, boom. Only True Trader? Good question, guys. So Only True Trader's asking, since the government shut down, there won't be NFP. Or... I think there's still going to be NFP. Hey, Daniel Berry Sports Highlights. Damn. Hi. How are you doing? Happy Friday, indeed. Oh, hey, Jess. Thank you. That's so sweet. Just making sure my dog doesn't stop barking. Blue Muffin. That is amazing. What part of South Africa do you live in? I would love to have some wildebeest power here, but I think, unfortunately, I only have vervet monkeys. I mean, yeah. Take training wheels off. Yeah, basically, Tony. If I double my money every day in 10 days, I will be a millionaire. I know, well, I mean, that sounds all good and all, but, you know, I gotta get a little bit, you know, be better. Gotta be better. Ooh, no, I don't, TJ. Interesting. Yeah, like I said, I do more scalping. Oh, nice. Nice, Blue Muffin. Nice. Very, very cool. Boom Banana, you know what? It's Friday, so I can't complain. How you doing, Boom? How the market's looking for you? Have you gotten any trades in yet? For me right now, this does not look great. Like I said, I'm waiting for at least a proper bit of momentum that'll work with my strategy. Or else I'm not really giving my strategy a good chance, am I? No. What brand is it? Are you asking what I'm trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I'm assuming that's what you are asking. Tony, not yet. No, I've kind of just been sticking with one for now. Like I said, I kind of want to get better. I want to be good with one before I start expanding. I don't know if that makes sense. Boom Banana, no. Why no? Why? What's happening? Dianu, that sounds terrible. Oh, Boom Banana! What, you had one loss and you're like, I'm done. Oh, thanks for the sub, guys. Yeah, Tony, so that's basically where I'm at. So I'm still, like I said, guys, I'm here, I'm brutally honest. Well, try to be brutally honest. So I'm still doing an eval account. I only started the eval, was it last week? I did, I only started the eval last week. But last week was a red week. This week, touch wood, so far has been a green week, but I'm kind of digging myself out of the trenches from last week. Yeah, so like I said, I wanna be good first before I start really throwing myself out there. Yes, you bought some for me. That's the second time I've heard about this. I don't have much of an opinion just because I don't really know much about it. Does anyone know much about Fermi? What do they think? What's their opinions on it? That's the one amazing thing about this community. If I have absolutely no clue, someone here will have an idea. Hey Marzia! Hi! How are you? I've been missing you. How's the trading been going? I know you pop on every day, but you've been a bit more quiet. Marzia, what's happening with the house? Did you get it? Hey, Dope Book Futures, how's it going? Kangor, how much is my daily profit? Well, I mean, the past 2 days haven't been... No. So yesterday wasn't a lot. I didn't put a lot of contracts in, so that was on me. I had like $40. I know that's like nothing. And the day before was like $100. Again, I know, not a lot. The red week took a little bit of a punch to my... How do I put it? It gave me a little bit of a punch in the gut with regards to my confidence, so I've been putting less contracts in. It's what I'm working on. It's why I'm doing these 10 trades things, to get a bit more confident again. Thank you, Marty. If you don't have to, you don't have to. No, I get it. I get it. Exactly, Tony. So that's basically where I'm at, right? Markano, are you asking where I'm from? How do you not know? I feel like you should know this. Markano, I've been here. I'm from South Africa. Hey, Mark One, how's it going? Jess, I haven't. I really want to. Yeah, I really want to. I've been dying to. But, traveling is just not super cheap when you are a South African. Mark, no, that makes sense. Hey, Timothy Thomas. Based off of trend, I want to say bullish. However, right now it kind of just looks like it's gonna stay a bit rangy. I wanted to say choppy, but it's having some momentum up and down, but the problem is this will not work for my strategy, unfortunately. So I'm waiting to see if there will be. I mean, it's very likely that there won't be because of NFP. Who knows? Hello? Are you gonna say hi to people? Do you guys want to say hi to Perry? Come here. No, oh, okay, never mind. I mean, he came to lean against my chair. I don't know if that counts. Hey, Oloran Tuba? Michael, hi. Hello. Okay. I don't know, my dog's sad because it's raining and he can't go outside. Well, not that he can't go outside, he doesn't want to go outside, he doesn't like the rain. So, I don't know what he wants from me, but... Anyone have a bias on today? Not really? That's an interesting question, yeah, sure. Wait, sorry, just on a different topic, quickly. Jess, you asked about visiting the US. Has anyone visited South Africa? Obviously not the South Africans, you guys live here. But has anyone not in South Africa, that does not live in South Africa, visited South Africa? Whee! Martono, hi! You're from Indonesia. Nice. Anticipating a seek and destroy. We're in all-time highs territory. Okay, so by seek and destroy, you think it's just going to kind of grab a bunch of liquidity and then just plow either up or down? Is that what you mean? Oh, there we go. Yep. Cool, cool, cool. Thanks, Yo, Jess, you should. What is my ideal husband? I don't know. I think... Very random questions, but I mean, sure, let's go for it. Well, I can't place any trades right now. That's a very good question. I would think someone that's just like my best friend. Yeah, does that make sense? Someone you can be yourself around. So I have very, I'm not high maintenance. Well, apart from the horses. Horses are high maintenance, but you know, that's on me to deal with. That's not for my future partner to deal with. Cape Town looks beautiful. Jess? I'm gonna get hate from a lot of South Africans. I have never been to Cape Town. As a South African, yeah. I have never been to Cape Town. So yes, I know I'll get a lot of hate for that. But from what I've seen and all the photos and yes, it does look beautiful. Just apparently really windy. And if living down here by the coast has taught me anything, that if people are saying Cape Town is windy but not complaining about KZN, then holy cow, how windy is Cape Town? Kangor, do I like binary option pocket option trading? I've never tried it, so I do not know. Yeah, Vazia, which is it's exciting, but it does mean that I'm probably gonna have to put up a short soon where people are gonna have to give me ideas on a trading tattoo. That was the deal for 5k subs, so we're not there yet, but it's getting there. I'm Batman, hello! Seek and destroy day, grabbing and harming both sides of liquidity. Oh, okay. Price most likely going to draw lower at some point. I did see the equal lows. So even on the 1 minute, there are equal lows. I mean, they're relatively equal, but basically equal lows. And it's raining again. Canada. I've always kind of wanted to go to Canada just because apparently everyone there is so friendly, but I do not know if I'll cope with the cold. I complain about cold when it's 16 degrees here. Batman, you in Cape Town, I'm in KZN. Other coast. Oh, Jess, you don't like wind. Oh, okay, well, then maybe not Cape Town. It's not like it's windy every day, but it can be super windy. Ooh, okay, let's check out the 1 hour Timothy, sorry. Okay, I see. Little bounce. It could come back down for these equals, you're right, or relative equals. Sorry. Hey, Focus, how you doing? More liquidity to go up or just... Yeah, I think that's the thing with all-time highs. Now it's a little bit of a guessing game. Is it going to come grab liquidity or is it just going to keep pumping? But I mean, it does look like it's a little bit heavier. You know, well, the sell side looks a little bit heavier. Let's see. What am I trading now? Well, I mean, right now I'm not trading because this won't work for my strategy, but I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Tony, maybe get a tattoo of the Elliott wave. I'm kind of curious. No, this is not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do something else. Give me a minute. I could. Hey, Melvin, how's it going? Oh gosh, okay. I mean, the Elliott wave is quite cool. See, but that's why we're gonna do options, right? Ooh, okay. We might have movement. There might be options or opportunities. Let's not say options. So this one, ooh, this one would have been a goodie. I was looking at it. I did see the fair value gap, but I need a little bit more confirmation, or else I'm gambling, right? We are not here to gamble. We are here to be traders. So that would have been a goodie. But now it's tapped into VWAP. So is it going to continue going down? Or is it just going to come back into the range? Markiner, what did I... Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Give me a just, I need a second here. Jones, don't take this the wrong way, but you are on a timeout, my man. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Okay, moving on. Sean, not yet. No, not yet. Like I said, I'm not here to pretend that I am amazing, but yeah. Hey, Melvin. Oh, Jess, so I'm in KZN. Yeah. Go buy some Solana, XRP, and AVAX. I swear it's gonna go up. No, Markino. Aw, Focus, I'm glad. I'm glad. Yeah, no. Sean, so I ride people's horses and I am a personal trainer. Yeah. And I help, you know, I do some consulting work here and there. Sweet and simply. Okay, flip. So that one would have been a win. Cool. Hello. I feel like I just need more confirmation for this. Should I give this a go? It's now taken out some of the liquidity on the sell side, which means it could just pop back up. Okay. Not there, but that's down there. Okay. Trouble trends. No, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I've heard gold is really good though. Markino, shush. Hell yeah, dope. I will. Literally just go KZN. KZN, yeah. You'll see it's basically the whole south coast. Well, south and east. South, yeah, south and east coast of South Africa. Oh, okay, yes. Ah, thank you, I think. No, it's not. It's definitely not. Don't worry. Don't worry, Dope Book Futures. You're good. Markino, I mean, are you asking me? I don't know about that. At least not yet. Again, if I'm not confident with like 2-minute trades, can you imagine with massive trades? Hey Clayton, how's it going? I guess. Oh, so it is literally like a K, a Z, and an N. Yeah, KZ. So it's technically KwaZulu-Natal, but everyone just calls it KZN. Sorry guys. I'm so used to South Africans just know KZN, but I apologize. It's actually, the full name is KwaZulu-Natal, but South Africans have just, yeah, we just go KZN because we are lazy. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, I would enjoy driving a Ferrari. I've driven a Mustang. That was awesome. Hey NFT John, how's it going? Trade Delicious, what's the update? We are kind of chip choppy today, so nothing great right now. So part of me was considering placing this trade, but I feel like I need a little bit more confirmation that we're actually gonna have movement, especially that it just popped into VWAP there. It's a little bit risky. So yeah, guys, sorry, I'm trying really hard to stick with my rules and remind myself that just because I'm a day trader doesn't mean an everyday trader. I don't have to place a trade today if the conditions are not correct for my strategy. But I'm still having lots of fun with you guys, so it does not matter. Clayton, you know what? I cannot complain. How's it going with you? Yaswant? I'm sorry if I butchered that. Hi, how you doing? Markino, I've never looked at it. So I've never... yeah. Never really thought about it, to be fair. TJ, you think it goes up? Ah, platinum looks good. Cool. Just what you want me to put a trade in? Only if my setup arrives. Like I said, I've put this up out of curiosity, but I need more confirmation that we are headed in a direction, or else I'm just gonna get myself screwed like I did last week, and that was not good for my confidence. So it's not worth messing with everything just because of FOMO. Yeah, it is. I look like Vimy. Thanks, Kangor, I think. Oh, hello from the Philippines. That is awesome. Hello from South Africa. Hola. Hi. Clayton, right? It has been. Yes. KwaZulu-Natal. Yes, that's it. That's the one. Clayton, it has been extremely bullish. That's why I'm not too confident on this right now. And again, I think purely because of the chop that's going on. Let's see, let's a little bit closer in. There we go. Wow, it almost looks like it's moving in slow motion. Okay. Hey, Rolf. I know, but I don't know if it is going to be a short. Especially because it took a bunch of liquidity and it tapped into VWAP. It could either have a really big retest or retracement right now. It could just continue going up, or it could be perfect for a short. I'm just kind of waiting for it to get out of range. No milk in my coffee. No, Cinnabug. How you doing, Cinnabug? How's it going? Which timeline? I'm on the 1 minute shots. Hey, Gabe. Hell yeah, Prop 23. That is the way to do it, right? You know, smart money. Smart money. Oh my god. Maybe I need more sips of coffee. Smart money concept. I know that's not exactly, but you know, be smart with your money, basically. Risk management is a key. SM Enterprise. So Rolf, you think a short scalp, TJ almost a rough double bottom. Right. And SM Enterprise, yeah, and like I said, unless I see my setup forming and I have confirmation for my setup, I'm not gonna place a trade. And I mean, it is NFP, so, but you know, it is what it is. If I just get to sit here and chat to you guys about the markets and learn some things, that's not a bad Friday at all. I mean, I have this morning and I still have New York session, so maybe something presents itself, maybe something doesn't. So you're seeing a short scalp. So I was also seeing a short scalp. Oof, it just would have missed me. My entry would have been here at the 50% line. So it didn't come up high enough to tag me in. Let's see if it keeps going down though. Hey PM, how's it going? Can you see the 15-minute? Oh, of course you can. Here we go. That's what the 15-minute looks like. This is a massive wick. Wow. Hey Roshan, how's it going? Gabe, you need my take on CBOT ZW. Unfortunately, I do not have one. Chat, does anyone have a take on that? Okay. Peeves. Peeves? Peeves. If you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say. Damn, okay, so if it did come up higher, it would have been a good trade. Oh well. At least it didn't... No. I was gonna say, at least it didn't come and tag me in, or else I would have been grumpy that I didn't take the trade. Okay, but now that it's dropped below VWAP and we... hello? Five minutes. Let's pick the 15 again. 1 hour. Okay. Rolf, you think definitely downside continuation? Ah, thanks, Chris. I think. Imported babies. Yes. Yes, we are. Prof 23, is that true? Isn't the news scheduled for later? Let me... No, I see a bunch of news scheduled. Let me... Now you've piqued my interest. Let me check. Let me check the news app. Where we at? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I mean, there's a lot of news today. Holy moly. TSM has gone. If you have no bias, rather drink water, not vodka. I mean... Tell me how much... Oh, you guys are funny. Okay. Greetings, I do not trade crypto. I trade futures. Nasdaq futures. Ah, there we go, and that answers the top question. Yeah, the only problem sometimes, and I'm saying this, is that sometimes the emotions do become a thing. It's the same. Okay, for the new people, sorry. I sometimes I like to compare it to things. So I'm a horse rider. So for those of you that do not know, horse riding is actually the only sport in the world where male and female compete as equals. I don't know if you guys know that or not. I think that's awesome. But you'll see a lot of the top riders tend to be males because they do not overthink things as much. You know, it's just, yeah. It's why females make good traders, but also sometimes not, because we're not willing to risk as much because the risk management is there, because we obviously overthink things quite a bit. My speciality. Anyways, oh, that would have sucked. That would have been straight away a loss. Boom, just like that. Holy cow, I'm glad I did not take that. Anyways. But what I was saying was, you know, it has its ups and downs. So when it comes to risk management, what I've noticed, or what I've heard from you guys, is that risk management with female traders is there because we tend to overthink things. Interesting. Gabe, why are bond yields rising as well as DX? I have no idea. I'm Andrew Tate, okay. No political stuff we're here. What breed? So I have a rescue thoroughbred. Yeah. In general, I normally had warm bloods, but he's cute as hell, so it's fine. Rolf, you'll need a wide stuff. Yeah. Hell yeah, see, Prof 23, that's the thing. There's ups and downs to both, which is super cool. So, oof, this may have been the better range, but yeah, Prof, I see what you mean by the seek and destroy. It's going all the way down for all the liquidity, and now it appears like it wants to keep, well, let's see if it continues going down. If it starts going back up, I don't think I'm going to be doing this. Like I said, I'm here to learn. I said that seek and destroy thing is new. Thanks, Prof. No, I never said women were bad at stocks either. I said it was very interesting. Market is making its final peak. Next down. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I did have it here. Ooh, that would have been terrifying. I don't know. The cells have lost some volume, hey? This range? Potentially, done the full range, but the problem is you never know when to go for the full range or not. Let's see about this range. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Okay, so Daniel, you went long now. Hey, TJ Signature, how's the market today? Meh. I mean, I guess it depends on what strategy you have, but with regards to my strategy, it's not great. It's a little bit choppy. It's going sideways. With some ups and downs, but it's going sideways. Ooh, double top in Bitcoin. Things are about to get ugly. That's not great. What am I drinking? I'm drinking coffee to get my day started. I say my day started. I've already had a little bit of a workout this morning. You know, get blood flowing. Marzia, you're in a cell. Okay. Importer babies, what do you trade, by the way? Attracted by low prices. This is why I do not trade the sideways, or, you know, don't trade the chop. I don't even want to try and speculate which way I think it's going to go, because I just think it's going to go all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. Yeah, Marzia, 100%. Let's see. Infamous Eagle? You can't see what I'm looking at. Infamous Eagle, are you on the vertical stream? Out of curiosity. Oh, thanks for the subs, guys. You guys are stressing me out. Do you guys know what happens at 5k? At 5k subscribers. Oh, Marzia, this looks potentially really good for you. Good morning from Philly. Oh, I love it. Huh. Sweet. I mean, at least you know what you want, right? Ah, okay, so Infamous Eagle, if you want to get a better view, you can hop off of the vertical, go into my channel, and you'll see there's 2 live streams. The other one is the horizontal. It gives you a better picture of what's going on, especially if you're on the PC. You want to sell out of the money. Okay, Gabe. Oh, nice, Importer Bet. Listen, I'm also new. I'm very new to trading. I've only been trading since April. It's been a journey and a half, let me tell you. Kiko, there's an order block down there. You're saying for the shorts? I mean, there's also an order block up here on the 1 minute. So this one wouldn't have been ideal. Would have been better if it was around there. But I feel like I need to learn my lesson, because when I moved again yesterday, I then didn't get tagged into a winning trade. That was a bummer. Last time I checked, the market was down. Really? So, Prof, just to clarify, no reason I mentioned Seek and Destroy Day. It looks at your economy calendar at the point of London. Whoop, I missed that. Equities and stock market. Absolute mayhem. Prof, yeah. Vignesh, today's gold target. Ooh, yeah, dada. I love that. Waiting for your coffee to be done brewing. Listen, with how quickly I'm going through this one, I might need to go get myself a second cup because it is... I know it's not that cold, okay? You guys overseas will laugh at me. It's like 16 degrees here and I am cold because I am a big baby when it comes to the cold. But it's cold and rainy. This is like the best sit down, watch a movie, eat popcorn, just warm, snuggly things. That is what today feels like. But I am here because, number one, I want to learn. Number two, I'm still learning about how the market works on different news days. I find it really intriguing to see what happens on the different days. And the last reason, I mean, I still have to go see my horses in the middle of the day. I'm gonna get soaked. So that's gonna be very entertaining. I'm just gonna look, yeah, I'm gonna look beautiful coming onto the New York stream. I'm just gonna be like wet and ugh. Yeah, you're favoring longs for now. Again, I don't even want to try and give an opinion because I don't know. And I'm not ashamed to say that I do not know. I truly believe this could go either way. I'm not disagreeing with regards to the longs though. I don't know why. Hey! Hey, Bernard. Yeah? Oh, thanks, Jess. Yeah, hopefully I'll see you later. I'm forcing it? What am I forcing? Sorry. Oh, thanks, Daniel. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. If I have missed, that would have sucked. But I said I am feeling longs today. Let's see if this one... Oh, this would have been a goodie. In, and let's see if it hits where TP is. Like I said, I'm not trading in the chop. So, yeah. I'm waiting for my confirmation. If I don't trade today, it is what it is. Kiko, it's a long for you. Nice. Roshan, namaste. Hi. And you think buy is the only option? Learn value investing, Max. Okay, explain for me, please. Gaurav, what's the temperature outside? I don't actually know, but I'm pretty sure it's like 16 degrees. Oh, it would have missed my TP. I haven't explored the daily high-low sweeps. Muzamal? No, not really. I mean, I have. But in the same time, no, not really. In the UK, banks usually expect a couple of grand to at least % increase your profits anyway. Oh, and okay. Zeus of Liquidity. Hi. Cool name. And John, just like that, guess what, my man? Flip. Oh no, I can't do anything. Oh no. Or can I? Nope, I can't. Anyone able to ban John? That would be great. I don't think any of my mods are here today. Damn it. Oh well. John, shame on you. Okay. This is about as mean as I can be. Country, that's interesting, really. I mean, I do the M and Q because micro and, you know, you don't have to risk as much capital. Listen, NQ has been a diva. Everyone is calling it a complete diva. Baby wipes. Importer babies, yeah, that sounds about right. What strategy am I using? I'm using my own little strategy, so it incorporates ICT and SMC concepts. Yeah, it's one I've been using for a while. It helped me quite a bit to get out of the deep end. I've been enjoying it. Obviously, there's some things I need to modify here and there, and I need to know the correct conditions to use the strategy. Like today is not one of those conditions. And luckily, see, I'm starting to realize, so that's good, right? You gotta look at the positives. I am starting to decipher. No, that's not it. Recognize, there we go, the correct conditions for my strategy. So New York yesterday wasn't bad. New York yesterday wasn't great. London yesterday was actually really good. This is terrible with regards to my strategy, and unfortunately this is what all of last week was kind of like. Greetings from Egypt. Hi, Ahmed, that's so cool. And I'm trading on the 1 minute strategy. Sorry, I'm catching up on these. Oh, Prof, that's interesting. I did not really know that. Marzia, little stop loss, don't like it. Yeah, today is not great. This is kind of choppy. Hi, Hamid. How you doing? You know what? I can't complain. It is Friday. Okay, it's Friday. I was like, Are we still good? Yes, hopefully. Kiko, I feel like I missed something. Boom, why are you hmming me? You make me nervous when you go Kiko, there we go. Oh, Kiko, whoop whoop, that's amazing, well done. Again, guys, I sincerely apologize if I've missed anyone's messages. I could just be super cheeky and be like, if you really want me to see it, just super chat it, but that's super cheeky, I'm not gonna say that. Well, I mean, you know what I mean. American muscle, Bitcoin is rising. I just thought someone said it was going down. Hey, it's Sty Guy Bob, how you doing? Sty Guy Bob, I mean, right now, it's just a itty bitty bit too choppy for me, so it's not going. So, well, Boom, I know you're not trading this morning, like for you super early in the morning, right? You're not missing out on much, or are you? Do these work for your strategy? I feel like they might. Yeah, Roosevelt, I hear you. Baby wipes, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Ooh, Andre, that's a very good question. What's my RR daily target? I would love to be up at least 4R a day. I'm aware that that does not happen. Yeah, that would be the ideal. Just to be in the green every day is great, but I do tap out after 3 losses. If I have 3 losses in a day, I'm done. So if I'm down 3R, I'm calling it. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, it's raining so hectically. So definitely favoring the downside. I mean, yeah, I agree with you. The problem is, with regards to my strategy, is that it's going too high up. Does that make sense? Like, this would have stopped me out. I mean, if I moved it, this is where that argument for the 50% of the order block, but here it comes back up again, so... You know, conditions like this just are not conducive with my strategy, so... I know, Boom, but at least, it doesn't look like you're missing out on much, so it's fine. Okay, Maya gets it, thanks. I don't know what I get, but thanks. Sty Guy Bob, yeah. Like I said, I think this could work for some people's strategy, so for them, awesome. I'm hoping you guys are all in the green. For my strategy, this does not work at all. Oh, Kiko, damn, guys. So Kiko said, like and subscribe or your profits won't rise. Thanks, Kiko. But yeah, if you guys are having fun, I know we're just chit-chatting today, but we are discussing the market, so that's quite cool. If you guys are just enjoying the community and the chatting and the learning, yeah, feel free to please like the stream and subscribe. It will be amazing. I'm convinced half of you are just subscribing because you want to see, you know, you want to see the 5K goal happen. Max, damn, South Africa must be rough. Why? Infamous Eagle, yeah. Video's going crazy. Am I a turtle disciple? No. No. Markino. Well, I'm sorry. Peeves? Shush. Ahmed. Yes and no. I just feel like it is heavy to the downside. You can see it's very slowly going down, but the retraces up are just too hectic for me right now. Watch now, just because I said that it's going to start pumping up, but anyways. Michael Buertha, yes. Or Buertha, sorry. Oh, Buertha. Oh my gosh, I don't know what that was. Michael Buertha, yes, I am from South Africa. Based on the accent, I was going to guess Swedish or something. Swedish? That's new. I've heard British. I've heard American. I've never heard Swedish. That's a new one. I think I need to add that to my CV. I don't know why I can't do accents, to be fair, but apparently I have all of them. Considering I trade ICT, do I use time in the approach? Yes and no. So obviously there's some favorable times, so I wait for like the hour closing candle or wait for them. I am aware of them and I'm cautious of them. And like I said, I don't use all the ICT concepts. It's a bit overwhelming. So I use some of the ICT concepts, and that's what I used to make my strategy. Debt Spawn 154, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. And that's same for you. Afiata. Scalper, yeah, Boom. No, Boom just had a bit of a red day. It wasn't even that bad. Boom just had a bit of a red day. So now he's just getting his mind back, right? Right, Boom? Hey, Johnny, what up? Andrew, when I'm not on live or trade, just jump into NG and ES and draw your key levels. If you backtest and you see the difference between them and NQ. I'm definitely going to, I'm genuinely curious now about all of that. Okay, I will. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I am not a boy. Yeah, I'm definitely not Afrikaans. I'm actually half Portuguese, guys. But yeah, that's definitely propaganda. That's a very specific politician. It's not all of them. Sorry, now we're getting into politics. Point is, I'm safe here. I have no complaints. Johnny, you know what? I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I was hoping it would be sunny today. It is not, but it is fine. Check out volume delta 2. It's great to start learning. You would invest Nasdaq but trade stocks. Why, Infamous Eagle? Okay, S&P. I have S&P open on this side. Michael, what are you here in South Africa? Just now S&T created for down. Steiger Bob, it's like syrup. Yeah, 100%. So everyone's feeling shorts today. Is that kind of what I'm getting? Hey, Timothy! First win of the morning. Amazing. There we go. Never will I blow an account. Okay. Hello from Sweden. Hi. Swedish pirate. Cool. No, we don't have that. Sorry, I'm talking about the 401k. Palmer Square 11, yes, it's why I'm not trading it. I mean, like I said, this works for some people, which is amazing. It does not work for me. It's why, yeah, it's why I haven't gotten into any trades. Actually, I haven't even looked at the chart for a little bit, to be honest. I see I have missed nothing. It's just doing the same thing of up and down and up and down. You just lost 1.3k, made it all back up to $42, but I'm still disappointed in my trading in the morning. Ah, boom, you'll be fine. I mean, then me and you were like of similar profit yesterday. Whoop whoop. Oh no, Scalper, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That's oh, thanks, Zach. I appreciate that. Marzia, yeah, today is just... I mean, it's getting smaller and smaller, which, who called it? Someone called it a something coil. I've completely forgotten the name, but I remember the coil because it's getting smaller and smaller, which means it's about to pop. Basically, sorry, in layman's term, it's about to pop. Which direction? I don't know. By the sounds of things, it potentially sounds like it's going to melt down properly. I could just be talking rubbish, so yeah. Well, because I have a lot of tattoos. Any comments on gold futures? Mohammed, yes, they are legit. I mean, if you want super legit ones, all the ones that I'm affiliated with, they're in the description, they pop up above on the screen. They are legit as well. There we go. Those are some, there's 3 more they're gonna pop by now. But yeah, all the ones that I'm affiliated with are very much legit and very good with payout. Is it less choppy? Ah. The Train Man. In October, you need to go to October Street and meet a guy named October who will take you to the October Mansion. Now you said October 5 times. Thank you. Thanks for that. I appreciate that. Oh, Boom Banana! Why are you bringing your sass so early in the morning? Markino, yeah. Infamous Eagle? I mean, that's valid. I'll get hit. mean, I'm not in a trade, so Tiger Bob Cobra coil? I don't know. I just remember someone mentioning a coil and I was like, ah, it made sense. There we go. That's okay. There we go. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks, right. Also, hi, Ronnie. Oh, Markano. Nice. Dr. Kim's poems. Cool name. I kind of want to hear a poem now. This is about trading. Yeah? And specifically, if you will, a safe place. Haha. Is this it? Has it stopped? Is it going to actually get some momentum now? Sorry. In specific, it's a kind community most of the time with people that genuinely want to learn and help each other out. Oh, thanks, Prof23. Enjoy work. Good luck. I hope it's great. Do I have a mentor? Yeah, you guys are my mentor. For the weekend party, Infamous Eagle. I don't know, I think there's some debate on that one. I think some people would say that Fridays are for buys. Max, not that I've heard of. Smaller and smaller is the descending triangle pattern. Sure. Okay, see, so it has lots of names, because couldn't that also then be a bearish flag? Or a bear flag? I mean, it's called a bull flag, so I would assume bear flag. Tony, short. Do I ever play crypto? No. The good guy, let's go gambling. No, we are not here as gamblers, we are here as traders. Oh, thank you, Tony. Yeah. Rayoli, I kind of hope you are joking. I really hope you're joking about that. If not, that's terrifying. Oh my gosh, this just looks so bad. What does this look like on the 15-minute? Is this just going sideways? Yep. There it is. It's just going sideways. And the 1 hour? It's a little doji. Awesome. Well. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Oh, thanks for the subs, guys. But potential global development, some people don't want to. Oh, no, right, okay. Okay, that's interesting. So, guys, does what Infamous Eagle say, does it correlate? I don't think I've ever really taken specific notice of it. On Fridays, do the markets tend to be sell days? Is that a bit more of a thing? Asking the more experienced guys. Is that something you guys have noticed? Is that a thing? Is it not a thing? I'm genuinely curious. Long break after high. Let's see, price sweep any of those equal lows or highs it's rejecting off of can give you the picture perfect trade. Timothy, you're right. Where do I live? What, do you want like my exact address? Down. Do I ever use fibs? I do not use fibs. What I use is my GAN, and that's actually my whole strategy. Check. Here's my GAN. Whee! That would have been a winning trade, by the way. Ta-da! Yeah, very indecisive. That's why, like I said, I'm not touching this, and it is it's just sitting on VWAP on both ES and NQ. That's great. That's fun. What time frame? This is the 1 minute. Oh, and no, you think this is a buy. See, I have half of the people saying it's definitely a sell, and the other half saying no, it's a buy. So what I'm hearing is we don't know. We're gonna have to wait and see. Probably a lot of profit taking on Friday. I love tech. Hi, by the way. Only on holiday weekends. Oh, holiday weekends. Sorry. Or quad witching. Ooh. Okay. 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 Depends on the weekly candle. Hi, Mark 1. And Fridays is a thing. Okay, J Clark. Yes, definitely, but not always. Hey, Ronaldo from Brazil. Hello, hello. Right here. That's my GAN. Right there. Do you want to see the... Do I trade weekend trap? What exactly is weekend trap? Is this weekend trap? Because then no. That's why I haven't placed a trade today. My last 7 days. Oh, I'd have to go double check that. But yeah, if you're on the horizontal, sorry, I don't think you can see it on the vertical. Apologies. But if you're on the horizontal, you can see my balance and everything. Like I said, I'm not here to try and hide things. ICT calls it TGIF. Yep. If the weekly candle's bullish, then it only makes sense that the five will be a pullback. Ah. Fractal, hi. How are you doing? Trying to pick a country to move as a full-time trader. Well, I mean, like I said, if you want to come to South Africa, because the rand is a little bit weak at the moment, so if you're earning in dollars, you are good to go. What was it we were busy saying? If you earn 30k a month in dollars, down here, that's, I think it was 580,000 rand a month, so nearly $500,000 a month. Which is pretty good, just saying. It's not wrong, but not right. What happens is whenever the week one directional Friday tends to try the recovery of that weekly range. Interesting. Okay, okay, so that tends to be the thing. So because it's been super bullish this week, the likelihood of it being shorts is very high, right? Ah, Infamous Eagle. Okay, bye. Thank you. Thanks for the information. Really, really interesting. I hope you have a great morning, night, day. Oh, thanks, Ronaldo. Lovely to meet you too. Welcome to the community. Wait for the break and retest. It's a buy. Ooh, woke up late. Nice. So you actually got to sleep in today. I'm kind of jealous. I don't know what sleeping is. Well, sleeping. I know what sleeping is, but sleeping in. My body just does not let me. Even if I'm exhausted at, well, it depends on the day. If it's sunny, apparently now 5:30 is a thing. But when it's dark and raining outside, I wake up at 6:30, so. Markano, Singapore. I mean, yeah. Richard, you don't understand trading. Which part of it? There's a lot. There's a lot to do with trading. Which part? Thanks, Markano. You're really funny. Sam, yes, I am. Oh, Sam, yes, I am. Okay, sorry. I will stop saying that. Who earned that much? Didn't you say you did? Or around there? Just saying. Plus they have all kinds of cool pets there in South Africa. Okay, they are not pets. They are not pets. To be fair, I nearly did go and steal a monkey. It was looking really cute. And I was like, oh, I can just pick it up. And my friend was like, no, what's wrong with you? It's gonna kill you. And I was like, oh, okay, fine. And I was thinking of you. I was like, you wanted a monkey. Why don't I trade in currency pairs? Just in all honesty, I started with futures and I want to get good with this before I start jumping around. That's purely it. Yeah. That's the only reason. There's no like, oh, I just don't like this or this or this. I've started with this. I want to stick with this until I'm good at it. Do I know Headway Broker? I do not know them. Sorry, Amit. Does anyone else know Headway Broker? What are people's thoughts? Roll maybe a retrace. Are you talking about like for the day? It's gonna retrace a bit of short and then go back up? Is that what you're saying? Tomorrow you are coming to South Africa. Be ready. Oh damn. Damn, Sam. I'm gonna have too much fun with your name. I'm so sorry. But that's crazy. Some of your trades can be months. Oh my gosh, that's insanity. Ah, yes, you so funny. Noon, how I been, Maya the Bee? I love it. I've been good. I cannot complain. I know I do a lot, but I can't complain today, so that's a good thing. Just having a look at this quickly. It is wanting to drop short. You guys are right. We go off of this high range. It's actually not terrible. I think it's just gonna take forever. Boom banana. Wait, I just saw what Boom said. How much to make me do a funny dance? I mean, any dancing I do I think is pretty funny because I am shockingly bad at it. How much to make me do a funny dance? I feel like I need to do a devastatingly stupid amount. Because I don't want to do a funny dance. What, let's say $300. Guitars? What about guitars? I love guitars. I have a guitar. Can I play the guitar? Not really. And my dog yells at me if I try and play the guitar, so I take it as I am too bad. And that's why my dog yells at me, so. Ooh, okay. Look for downside for sure. Richard, I mean, it is and isn't. I feel like we sometimes make it super complicated, and it can be if you overthink it, but theoretically, you should try not to overcomplicate things. Have something that works for your brain and you're good to go. Hey, she's a nun again. Can I explain my strategy? I can. Give me 2 seconds to quickly catch up on things, and I will then do it for you. Can I explain? Sorry. You know headway? It's nonsense. Interesting. Okay, so Unknown says headway is not great. Forex is better for longer term swing trades. Futures is better for day trading. Ooh, there we, yeah. Thanks, Guy Bob. Thank you. Okay. Which part don't you understand, okay? That is correct. Can't say that it'll occur for this week, considering we had some good bearish this week. How long week Wednesday? Interesting. How did I manage to steer price and do nothing for an hour? Well, sweet and simply because this does not work for my strategy. So why would I trade something that does not work for my strategy? That just feels like a foolish way to gamble away all your capital. Sister Maya, gosh. Hi David, by the way. What's the best way to understand trading? That is a very good question. I would say you would have to start off with at least a book, or if you know anyone that trades, that they can then teach you the basics. So for trading, you follow the rule, less is more. The longer it stays, the better it is. Yeah, that's valid. Sorry, I'm quickly having a look at something. Yeah, no, that would have screwed me. That would have sucked. Check. That would have taken me out. This is why the chop doesn't work for my strategy. Because that range isn't ideal. I mean, this one I guess would have been fine, but I don't trust it to go all the way down now. Hasn't swept anything yet. So I guess, yeah, potentially nothing today. And to be fair, I've not been staring at it for an hour. I've been staring at it for an hour and a half. Buy low, sell high. Yes. Yeah. Auction market theory, right? Do I read up on things that would affect the S&P before trading? No, not really, to be fair. I go in and I read the markets and see what the markets are doing today. So I feel like, yeah. Who was it? Someone said if they go in with the bias, sometimes then they're so focused on the bias that they miss winning trades because they are so set on their bias. So why don't you just trade what's in front of you instead? Sorry, just asking as a genuine question. Ah, Richard. Here we go. I mean, if you want to, you can also download TradingView, and there you can paper trade, and it'll start to recognize some levels. And like I said, if you want to then join on this stream, like I said, I'm still a beginner. I do not claim to know things 100% yet. Yeah, I'm not claiming to be amazing at trading yet. So if you want to learn together, like I said, you can see the amount of information here. It's a lot. And it can sometimes be overwhelming, but you learn so much. Oh, there we go. Mind Over Markets. I know these books are pretty decent as well. No, that's not right. Oh, it changed. Oh, no. Oh, well, that's fine. I can send you a list of books. How about that? Wait, let me see. I want to... Oh! Okay, give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Let me type out the list of books. Aha! Okay. Are you ready? And then I can send it. I am overwhelmingly cute. Okay. Why the previous dip was when BTC was below 80k. Oh, Zeus of liquidity. Do I play any PC games? I do sometimes. I haven't for a while, which is really disappointing. I feel like life has just been a bit busy, but I do. I was getting really into it as well. I finished Hogwarts Legacy. That was so much fun. $300 is a lot. Exactly. Which is why I'm gonna make it a lot of money so that I don't have to do a silly dance. I'm just saying. That is true, Bonnet. However, if you want to just start to recognize trends and things, wouldn't pay for trading be a good place to start if you don't even know where you're at? And then from there, I would then say, then you can get a prop firm and start live trading, but like me, start with the micro so you don't blow through capital quickly. LW 100? No. What about 10 at what? Marzi, are you looking at gold? $10? No, I feel that's enough for me to completely embarrass myself. Just saying. Thinking in bed. Bye. And you do. See, I have the list. So I'm just gonna throw names out there. It's quite cool that I can send this to you guys now. I used to not be able to do this. Yep. Awesome. I butchered that spelling. Am I trading on a prop firm? Yes, I am. Mark and O? Shush. Some people are going to take you seriously one day. I'm just saying. Oh, that's your strategy quarterly theory. Interesting. Sorry. I like that I can send you guys things like this. Bye. Okay. Where did I learn to trade? So I had a friend that introduced me to it and taught me the basics. Yeah, and everything else I've kind of mostly learned from you guys. I mean, literally before I started... Anyways, before I started, I didn't even know what candles were. I know that sounds very embarrassing now, but yeah. And last one. Pulled by randomness. Bye. Done. There we go. So, Boom Banana, you're willing to get a... a thing to full port, but you're not willing to pay me $300 to do a silly dance. I feel like that's rude. Yeah, I probably should. Hey, LP. Only true trader? Hell yeah, that's amazing. Whoop whoop, I'm so proud of you. I'm agreeing with the bearish. What indicators do I use? So right now I actually only have VWAP and volume. That's kind of it. Yeah. I got my VWAP, I got my volume. Yeah, and I have obviously my own things that I look out for, but those tend to be the two that I have, or else I feel like it just gets too busy. Ah, of course now it goes. But like I said, that would have potentially kicked me out before dropping for a win. That would have sucked. Hey, Blitz, how's it going? Boom Banana, we should do a poll. Okay. Southwest Carp Hunter, how's it going? Oh, thanks, Richard. I really appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. I'm a little bit scared. What are what are the subs looking like right now? I'm a little bit scared. I say scared. I'm excited, but you know. Mark, no, I agree. I have come to realize anyone that's like, this is foolproof, can never go wrong with this strategy, I'm like, okay. I will, yeah. I'll believe you when I see it. Kiko! Yeah, I get it. There's just absolutely nothing happening. Again, this would have ticked me out, gone down, still wouldn't have even hit the TP. Sorry guys, I know this is a bit more of a boring stream because there's no trading going on right now. I'm sorry, but we are learning quite a bit, so that's quite cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay guys. Once I reach the 3,000 subs, I will pop a video out there where we are going to slowly start getting some tattoo ideas. And then there'll be a poll deciding which tattoo to get. And then there'll be a poll deciding where the tattoo should be. Not on my face. I feel like I shouldn't have to say this, but not on my face. Boom Banana, I'm speaking to you. How many subs do I need though? Only true trader, so 5k for what I promised. I promised to do the tattoo before I even had 1,000 subs, so I'm gonna stick to, I mean, I always stick to it. The shark cage diving, just unfortunately, the weather's been terrible right now, and the sardine run was the reason why I didn't see sharks the last time. So I did try to go. Like I said, I have video evidence of me rocking up to the destination and going into the ocean and swimming with very big fish. Unfortunately, they were not the sharks. Get an affiliate with funded next, please. Need discounts. Only true trader? I can try. In these slow ranges, I can do 1-to-1 trades. Same strat. But it would have knocked me out, LP. Literally, here would have... So even with the GAN, it would have come, tagged me out before going back down. Or are you saying just like stop loss at the top, take profit? I could do that. I could do that. I could do that. When it's like this, just make the entry at the 50, stop loss all the way at the top. I could actually maybe do that, you're right. Oh, Zeus of liquidity, I'm glad. Thank you. I didn't even say anything. I know, you didn't have to. I just know what you were thinking in your mind. You're like, how can I make my life as difficult as possible? I've been actually, no, I'm still in an eval. YOLO though, 10k face tattoo, an ICT face tattoo. Maybe I shouldn't let you guys decide. Only true trader, yeah, that's why I said when it reaches 3k, I will start. I'll start making the preparations. DS, I'm trading the 1 minute time frame. Oof, okay, I was a bit late on this one. Am I? I mean, it could quickly come back up. Do I want it to come back up this far, though? It could quickly come back up. Oh. There it came back up. We give it a try for 3 contracts. It should bounce off of VWAP. I mean, 3 contracts is not a lot. Stop loss all the way at the top. And TP at the 1. I may have been too late. Oh, maybe not. This is a bit high. I'm giving this a go because, like I said, I've just changed it slightly. It's now just a 1-to-1 strategy. Tattoo the word full port. Go all in short and change your life. K? No. Let's see, I'm just doing a 1-to-1 trade. Let's see how this goes. Oh, focus. Damn. Okay. Hey, Nox, how's it been going? Where you been? We are trying a 1-to-1 for the chop. Let's see. I mean, I have little VWAP here. It's a little bit of a confluence and some, well, I mean, shelf and order blocks. It should be fine. Let's see what happens. Mabelu, yeah, I mean, I'm trying out a 1-to-1 quickly to see if this could work for choppy days like this. If it doesn't, then obviously lesson learned. That's why I didn't put a lot of contracts in. 3 is not a lot for London. Yes, do I think you're good looking? I mean, I have absolutely no idea what you look like. Hey Rachel, how are you? How are you? How's it going? Hello? Are you gonna come say hi to people? No, maybe not. Oh, that's cool, Nox. Are you gonna join for the New York? Let's see if it's gonna be as chip choppy as today. Who knows? Well, we're in this now. Let's see what happens. Is a platform, would I say ATAS or ATAS? Really good for order flow and liquidity. Oh, interesting. I haven't heard of that one before, actually. Watch this take me out just because. Oh, interesting. Oh, Rachel, I'm so jealous. KZN is cold and rainy. Yeah, it's just cold and rainy. Kay, I think like 2 or 3 people have, yeah. Yeah. Okay, but then wouldn't like Sierra charts also be really good? Zeus of liquidity is coming. I'm just gonna say that for now. Yep. I mean, no, not really. Well, no. Ooh, play the heat map. Interesting. Okay. Oh, it's sitting above VWAP on ES and below VWAP on NQ. That's fun. Okay. Sierra is extremely good, but the interface and interface is way too complex. Yeah, that's valid. I've heard it's extremely complicated, especially for new traders. This is not looking great right now, is it? See what happens. Oh, okay, cool. To be fair, I haven't really heard of liquidity map. I've heard... What's the one that everyone... Book map? I've heard of book map. A lot of people say I should give book map a try. 80 Joe, what up? How's it going? Ooh, oh, I'm so jealous. I'm so jealous. I must admit, I am very, very bad when it comes to... This is not looking promising. At all. Oh well. I'm really bad when it comes to eating. I forget. I know that's a very weird excuse, but I legitimately forget to eat. Focus, yeah, yep. I agree. I think this is gonna hit my stop loss. Remove stop and then you won't lose. No? I feel like that's a terrible idea. I lately try another strategy. When I place stop orders below and above to capture a breakdown, but always sometimes it reverses on me. Yeah, that's... I mean, you're right, he's not wrong. But... That's... yeah. That's all I'm saying. That's just, yeah. It's only a loss once you realize it. Never close your position. We never lose. But I mean, you could lose all of your capital. Doesn't that count as a massive loss? Hey Zane, what up? We're having discussions about stop losses. Going from, yeah, ooh, I love tech, I can imagine. Mark has cracked the code. Can we not encourage Peeves, please. Can we not encourage peeves? I love check. I can't imagine. That must be a massive breather. That's only a fun. I can't still. The old saying, there's winners and quitters. Is that really a saying? FOMO traders are the best traders. Yeah. A little bit, hey. I can imagine. Low-key what I am right now, right? Little bit. Oh well, let's see what happens. Oh, what is my dream car? Ooh, you guys are gonna judge me. I've always liked the Audi TT. But for me, Aston Martins are really nice. I really like Aston Martins. But in all honesty, if we're thinking practical-wise, a bucky, just a good old bucky, works for me with regards to horses and towing and. Buckies will be for the win. What's my ideal dinner plate? What do you mean by that? Maybe a Friday reversal today. Right, Zane? Okay, give me 2 seconds. I can hear my dog bugging me. Can you guys watch this? This doesn't look promising. I think this is gonna hit the stop loss, but let's see. Yeah, you guys can watch this for me. Now that the rain stopped, I gotta let my dog out quick. And I'm back. Did I miss? No, not much. Did not miss much. At all. Anyways, moving on. Order flow is also a really good thing to learn, and don't mean the thing. Oh, okay. You don't mean the thing from ICT? Bad idea. Yeah, I know. Bad idea. Oh, like a dinner meal. That's what you mean. Oh. Ooh, what would be my... I don't actually know what would be like my favorite dinner. This is sitting above VWAP on both now. That's not good. Let's see what happens. Let the chair handle this. Oh, catnip. So I have two streams. I have a vertical and a horizontal, so it depends on which stream you are on. Yeah, so there's 2 lives running at the same time. Might stay between the stop loss and the TP until New York session. Yeah, no. I popped one trade in to check out if the 1-to-1 trade would work, because it would have worked earlier. It's just sitting on VWAP and it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller, so that's weird. Yeah, Plague Incorporated player. PIP? I'm gonna call you Pip. Yeah, I've heard that from quite a few people, and then it sparks debate, so I kind of stay out of it. I just, yeah. Trail my stop loss. Ah, my man, I would have been out long ago if I did that. Pete Poster, I'm in South Africa. And Caleb, hi. You're back in your Euro trade, the dollar's about to slide. Caleb, you're also a trader. How long have you been trading for? Okay. Markano? No, I'm not. Hold your short, aim for more. Oh, damn, Zane. Okay. Oh, like I said, this doesn't look super promising right now. Let's see what happens. I mean, what time is it? I mean, I don't have the world. Let's see what happens. Zeus of liquidity, right? Oh, boring today. But I mean, you guys have literally kept me entertained and going for nearly 2 hours, which is oh cool. So I'm actually not complaining. You guys have been the best company I could have asked for. That's why I started this stream on days like this, because trading can be boring, right? I mean, who are we kidding? Trading can be very boring some days. So to have an amazing community that you can just chat with and, you know, talk about your strategies and discuss things helps a lot. Memes class, hey, what up? Yeah, Pip, 100%. Oh, really? What do other countries call them, Pete? Let's see if the dollar pumps up MNQ. Thanks, I love Jake, thanks. Due for a massive candle at some point. You think downwards. Okay, are you still trying to decide? New car or boat? What car are you thinking of getting? I think this is gonna go up. Ah, interesting. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Really, is it only South Africa that calls it Bucky's? Huh. I guess that, yeah. USA will call it a pickup, like a pickup truck. And there it goes. Wow. Okay. Yeah, but like I said, a Bucky would be ideal for me. I mean, I drive a little i10 at the moment, and ouch, cool. So that just proves, just stick with what you say when you say you're not trading this mess, right? Hell yeah. Lesson learned, just don't do it. Oh, there's one algorithm that moves the market in big banks and stop losses. Play? Okay, explain that. Got it. A defender. Ooh. That was not my usual strategy. I was trying something there, which was a little bit cheeky. That's why I'm not actually even marking it down. The win rate with my usual strategy, the markets haven't been great with this, but the win rate with my usual strategy is like 40%, which is not bad because it's a 1 to 2 hour, so you end up in the green. That was loud, I'm sorry. I don't think so, yeah. Ayanda, this is the Nasdaq futures. Right. Oh, it's 11. The entry, so I kind of entered because we were on a downward trend. Are we going to pop up now? Kind of looks like it. We were on a downward trend. It was below VWAP. There was an order block above here. So there were some confluences. I then adjusted my strategy slightly to see if it would work for the chop. It did not. So I'm not going to trade chop. It's just not worth it. I was kind of giving it a little bit of a cheeky test in these conditions. Like I said, not worth it. FOMO long. No. I mean, yes. No, I'm joking. I'm not going to FOMO long. Right. This. Yeah. Yep. And watch it now come back down. Ah, interesting. Oh, don't worry, but like I said, you guys are more than welcome to name people here. This is a trading community. If you know of people that are really good at teaching a specific thing that people are interested in, go for it, right? This is the whole point of the stream. It's not me being like, oh, no, you guys must just follow. I don't know what I'm doing. No, I do know what I'm doing. That sounded terrible, but you know, I'm still learning things. I've only been trading since April. I'm not here to claim that I am the best trader in the world. Hell no. I mean, like that very rookie mistake. That's on me. the FOMO one, which is, like I said, super rookie mistake. Oh no! Look, 1 hour win up. Yeah, we are. I did check the 1 hour earlier. Study quarterly therapies. I'm gonna have a look at it, Zeus. I will. I promise. For market structure, I look at the 15-minute and the 1 hour. Okay, but on that note, I'm probably gonna call it there for today. Wow, that was literally 2 hours of nothing. Anyways, I'm gonna call it there for today now that there's actually some movement. Nope, we're gonna go back down into the range. Like I said, I'm gonna call it there. Oh, there we go. Go on then. Ricardo, hold for a long period of time is the best way to win. Yeah, unless you're a scalper, then not really. Oh, no, you're just like second. Actually, don't know. It's like you're the second most common thing. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay. And now it goes down. Yep. Now it's gonna go down. Okay. Yes, I will go live in New York. I am here all day, every day. No, I'm joking. I'm gonna go see my horses now quickly. But then I will be back for New York. I hope you guys are ready. It's gonna be great. Yep. There we go. So yes, I will be back here for New York. Go all in short, okay? No. Oh, thank you, Exotic Chem Lab. I like to think I'm sweet. Listen, sometimes the inner sassy South African wants to come out, and then I have to just, no, don't do it. Not worth it. But I will be back for New York Open. I'll be on 15 minutes before. So open 9:30 EST, I'll be on 9:15 EST. And yes, I trade every day. Well, at least I'm live every day. Like I said, I actually shouldn't have traded today. It is going to start melting down properly now. Now that hour close. Anyways. Oh, of course, here we go. But yes, I trade every day. So if you guys aren't around for New York, come say hi, come say hi. Yay! Finally, he said hi. He's normally so shy. So I'm gonna call it there with me and Perry. We're gonna call it for today. Remember I told you go, oh, okay, I will remember. I tried to go short earlier. I did. Clearly I was just a little bit too soon. Okay, but again, let me call it there. I will see you guys hopefully for the New York stream. If not, see you Monday during London. Yeah? Thanks for the fun stream. Like I said, sorry it was a little bit boring today because of the chop, but you guys kept me entertained and I appreciate you guys. And you taught me a lot today. So I love you madly and I'll see you later. Yes. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.